In order for you to make really good money when you are investing in cryptocurrency, one of the things that you have to put in your mind is a long-term mindset. The most important thing that I teach here is that you cannot come into investing in crypto and expect to make money on the very same day, but you can actually institute a strategy so that it guarantees you will make money in the long run. One of the biggest strategies is called dollar cost averaging and Binance Earn Auto-Invest. I will tell you all about this in this particular video. Let's get those credits rolling. Dollar cost averaging means that you institute a strategy where you get in to buy a particular crypto at different prices. In this example, if I'm going to buy one Bitcoin at $10,000 and then the next Bitcoin at $11,000, I have bought two Bitcoin, but the total cost is $22,000. So on average, I have bought one Bitcoin at $10,500. That is the principle behind dollar cost averaging. In a bear market like we are in, this is a good opportunity for you to be able to get into buying Bitcoin at a very low price. The all-time high for Bitcoin is at $69,000, which happened in November of 2021. So at the moment, you are getting Bitcoin at a sale at a lower price. It's about 80% off of the all-time high. This is something that you can take advantage of as we anticipate the next bull run. And a very good tool that can help you to take advantage of this is called Auto-Invest, and it's under Binance Earn. Now I want to show you the step-by-step process on how you will be able to place in an Auto-Invest plan on Binance Earn so that you can be able to start taking advantage of dollar cost averaging. You need to sign up on Binance, and in the first link in the description below, you'll get my affiliate link, which actually gives you 5% off on spot trading and 10% off on futures trading fees. But what you will actually do is download the Binance app, and on your phone, because you're doing this on phone, click on sign up, and simple process. Once you've come here, it will ask you whether you want to sign up with a phone or email or continue with Google. We'll just click on sign up with phone or email. Then it will show you can either use your email or your phone number. You can put in your personal email and your password. Make sure that you use a strong password. And then referral ID here will actually show my referral ID, which is actually showing on the screen as well. That will show up here and you will be getting 5% off. Then if you don't want to use your email, you can actually use your phone number. So what you'll do is, for me, it actually detects that I'm in Kenya. So you'll put in your phone number, put in the password. Remember the referral ID. It's showing on the screen. If you don't have it here automatically, just write it in so that you can be able to be getting 5% off. Then the next thing that you'll do is click that you've read the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on create personal account. Once you've done this, you will need to verify your account, which will mean that you'll need to do a photo of your national ID or passport, do a selfie as well, so that you can be able to verify your account and go to the next step. The next thing that you need to do is, once you've gotten onto this page, because this is a default page when you're signing up, go to the top left, click on the face that is there, and then where it says Binance Lite, kindly click on that so that it goes to Binance Professional. When it gets to Binance Professional, this is a screen that you'll usually see. And once you are on this homepage, click here where it says More. Once I click on More, I can be able to scroll down. It says Common Functions, Gift and Campaign, Trade, and then you have Earn. So Auto-Invest is under Binance Earn. So I'll click on Auto-Invest. This is a simple way on how you can be able to do it, and you can actually be able to see it tells you that instead of always trying to time the market, Auto-Invest buys for you over time at set intervals. So I'll click on next, and then it says Auto-Invest uses dollar cost averaging to help you accumulate your crypto wealth over time. Click on next again, and then it says you can be able to pick a coin or multiple coins. Set your plan to buy crypto every day, week, or month while you relax and spend less time on the charts. So I'll click on next here, and we want to get started. During this current month, Binance is actually running a promotion where you and I, when we trade on Auto-Invest, will actually be able to receive a commission when we do our trades here. So make sure that you actually place an Auto-Invest plan. So here we are on creation of a portfolio plan. There are two ways you can actually be able to do this, and I'll show you on single coin and portfolios. What I have actually done, you can actually be able to see for my particular coins, I already have a single coin that I can be able to buy, which is Bitcoin, and this has been ongoing, and I have placed that every single day I buy 2 BUSD worth of Bitcoin. That's not a lot amount of money when you think about it, but one of the awesome things is right now with Auto-Invest 2.0, they've actually taken the amount down from $10 to $1. So you can actually be able to set that you're just using $1 a day to be able to buy Bitcoin or to be able to buy any other crypto that you want to buy, whether Ethereum or Solana or whichever it is. So what I have actually done is you can see the next Auto-Invest will be at 6 a.m. tomorrow, and I've already invested 36 BUSD and I'm doing 2 BUSD daily, and then it also gives you the average token price. So when you look at the token price on a particular day, it will still buy at that amount. If the price goes down on the next day, it will buy at that amount. You will end up buying Bitcoin at low prices because you're always coming in to buy every single day. If you look at this, I have already gotten a profit of 14.42%, which translates to 5.19 BUSD already based on the purchases I have already done. So that is for single coin, and I'll show you how to do it. So the next one is on portfolio. This is pretty recent for me because I have just done the very first purchase today, meaning I've invested 5 BUSD. I have placed that every single week I want to buy 5 BUSD worth of particular coin. So I'll show you the details here. Even before it goes so long, I have just bought today, but I'm already 4% up because currently at the time of shooting this video, the markets are all in green. So I'll show you the details. I have bought Ethereum, which is 20%. I have Matic, which is 20%. I have Cardano, which is 10%. I have AVAX, which is at 10%. I have BNB at 10%, Polkadot 10%, NIA at 10%, and Solana at 10%. You can actually be able to see for all of them, there is a different percentage of ROI already on the day. So for Solana, it's almost 5%. NIA has gone up 10%. Polkadot is up 5%. BNB is up only 1%. AVAX at 6%. Cardano 2%. Matic at 2%. And Ethereum 4.16%. So how can you be able to do this for yourself? So what I'll do right now is I'll actually show you the process that I took in order to be able to set this Auto-Invest in motion. So we'll start with single coin. This is where you want to buy a single coin every single period for the foreseeable future, and then we'll go under portfolio and I'll show you the same. So the first is single coin. So I'll click on get started with single coin, and for me the single coin always has to be Bitcoin. I always have to be buying Bitcoin. I'll click on BTC, which is at the very top. Once I've clicked on this yellow button, then it will take me to the next page. Here, I can be able to either buy with credit card, or I can be able to use the balance that is in my spot wallet or in my flexible savings wallet. So if you want to be able to buy on the spot wallet, check the card that is showing up here. That is a tutorial that's there. But I can be able to use either USDT or BUSD. I currently have BUSD. I had set 2 BUSD, so that's what I'll do here. I'll place in 2 BUSD, and I want to be doing this either daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. But note this, that if you don't yet have money in your spot wallet, it will try to do it. If there is no money there, it will actually not buy. So what I'll do here is I'll say use flexible savings balance, which I actually want to use, and there is some available there. And I want it to be buying every time I wake up. I want it to have bought, so I put 6 a.m. The create time is now. Amount per period is 2 BUSD, and then the first auto invest date will be tomorrow at 6 a.m. And then I'll click on I have read and agree, and then I click on confirm. So the plan overview here will show me that I have 2 BUSD that I'll be buying daily. It will start tomorrow, and it will actually show me how much up or down I currently am. How about if you want to create a portfolio plan? At the moment here at the top, I'll click on create a portfolio plan now, or just next to where it says single coin, I can click on portfolio and then get started with a portfolio plan. So there are different ways of actually being able to do this. The top 5 market cap, which is a preset selection, or you can even create your own custom one, or you can do a top 10 in auto invest by volume, which will actually expose you to BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Matic, AVAX, Polkadot, Cardano, Ape, and Nia. So for this particular example, what we'll do is we'll click on top 5 by market cap, and it says by clicking on auto populate, a portfolio of digital assets will be generated based on the criteria that you selected. This is not an endorsement by Binance or even by myself. Then just click on I understand. We can actually be able to put in the coins that we want. So in this particular case, we have BNB, BTC, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. So in my particular case, I don't want to put BTC here because I already have put it in another plan on its own. So I'll click on add coins. This is what you can do if your portfolio is not yet at 100%. And because I also want to be buying a little of Matic, that's what I'll click on confirm, and you enter the percentage. So the minimum percentage on your portfolio is 10%. Here I'll just place 20% to keep it simple. And then the sum of allocation must add up to 100%. That's set. So the next thing is a subscription amount. I can be able to set that I want 1 BUSD per day to buy all these coins. That's what I'll actually do. I'll click on where it says USDT and click on BUSD, and I want 1 BUSD a day to be used to buy 20% each on this 4 cryptos. So again, I'll say this needs to happen at 6 a.m. I'll just click on the plus sign and then click on AM. And then I want it to be doing this daily, and then I want to also use the flexible savings balance. So that means on every day I'll be investing about 3 BUSD across the cryptos. So 2 BUSD on BTC and then 1 on this other 5. That's the one that I've actually set. And then I'll click on I have read and agree to Binance Auto-Invest agreement, and then I'll click on confirm. So the plan overview here just simply shows you the details, which is all these 4. We currently haven't bought any, we have just set it up. You have all these 5, BNB 20%, Ethereum 20%, Matic 20%, Solana 20%, XRP 20%. So what happens once you have been able to buy this? So what you'll see is go under history. This will show the portfolio I have, and then it shows you already the Solana that I have bought, the Nia I have bought, Matic that I have purchased. All this shows under history what you've been able to buy. Where can you be able to view your portfolio. So at the very bottom on the home page, click on wallets, and then on the overview, just go under Earn, and here you can be able to actually see all your holdings. So for me, on the previous portfolio, I had Cardano, AVAX, I have BTC, BUSD, Polkadot, Ethereum, Matic, NIA, Sol, and USDT, One, and BNB. So what I actually do in order to get the maximum out of this is I buy BUSD under P2P, and then I transfer it from the funding wallet, of course, first to the spot wallet and then to the Earn wallet, where I put it under flexible savings. So I'm already earning here 10% APR on the BUSD, and then because I'm using the flexible savings that I have here, I can be able to easily buy as many times as I want from that particular balance. Once I notice that the balance is getting really low, I'll just go under P2P again, buy some more, and I can be able to keep this investment portfolio going. That's a simple way on how you can be able to get on Binance Earn Auto-Invest 2.0, which makes it pretty simple for you to be able to DCA in on any of the cryptos that you want to buy. On the top video, that shows you how you can be able to buy BUSD using P2P. That's the simplest way on how you can be able to buy BUSD, and I'll see you in the next one.